Greetings, fellow property owners. As the summer season approaches, it's time to welcome guests to your beautiful vacation rental properties. But before you do, let's talk about an important topic that can't be overlooked: a vacation rental safety. Why should you focus on vacation rental safety? Ensuring the safety of your guests and property should be your top priority. By prioritizing vacation rental safety, you not only protect your guests but also build trust and loyalty, leading to positive reviews and more bookings. How can technology help to protect your properties? In this digital age, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing vacation rental security. Embrace smart home devices like keyless entry systems, security cameras, and smart locks. These high-tech solutions provide real-time monitoring, access control, and increased convenience for both you and your guests. What safety devices should my rental have? Equipping your rental property with the right safety devices is essential. Smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire extinguishers are a must to protect against potential hazards. Additionally, consider installing secure locks and deadbolts on all entry points to bolster your property's security. To delve deeper into those security tips and ensure your vacation rental is ready for a safe and enjoyable summer season, head over to our blog post. There, you'll find a wealth of valuable insights to make your rental property a safe haven for your guests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information to safeguard your rental properties. Stay tuned for more security updates from Locksmith.